Yo, what's up guys, welcome back. Today we're not using Facecam. I'm on laptop just because I'm on Windows 8. As you can see, right now we're gonna hack into an account. Hold up. Only line rules. Okay, so this is my main right here. All good. But today we're gonna be hacking into an account. Let's hack into it. So first, you click log out. Search up your target. This is gonna be my target for now. This is my target. Arthur Fancy. I'm gonna type in his password. I got all his information. Right, that's his password. So I got all the information. Log in. See if this thing works. Oh, I'm about to do the thing like Doge. Gonna look at the butt. Okay, there you go. So it's loading up. See if this works. This is his password. Oh my god, we got into my target's account. Oh my god, I've been wanting this account for ages. Okay. So, oh my god. That actually worked. Okay, so I'm gonna add myself. Okay, so before we search up ourselves, hold on, I need to think. Alright, hold up. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's add ourselves. Roblox. Boys 6775. Let's just search that up. It'll pop up like I don't care. Right there. Add friend. I'm following it. Eventually it's following me. I hacked into this once and I'm gonna log into my account. Eventually you guys know I have a PC, so I can log in on that. Let me log in on that. Hold up, let me log in on that. Hold up, 3, 2, 1, log in, okay. Okay, I'm on my PC, so here all the first pages, so proof. Hold up, what's the most? Okay, refresh. See, this is proof. All the proof I need. I'm gonna accept it right now. Go to friends. Request art director is Future White Main. Alright, now we refresh because I just accepted it. There we go. Unfriend and chat. So as you can see, I'm gonna go to. As you can see, you eventually know I have control panel. Like, oh my god! Look, if I open it, there you go, control panel. So click that. As you can see, it'll take you to my settings, and then that's all the info. Okay, so then it says OBC. I'm gonna click that, and then that is the OBC theme. So, catalog notification, live, upload, play notification. So you can see all this. So then you have to like these. And every time you all notifications, oops. You see, so all that so then this is the last one. Just gonna go look and check these. and then you did that. So then you go to your profile. Let's see here. Okay, so now we are on the profile. Let's see. Yeah, I just say my profile because this account is now mine. I'm gonna go offline and then log back into my account eventually. Okay, let me log out. Okay, I'm gonna log out the victim's account. Alright, I hope he doesn't notice. Oh my god. Like, oh my god, Okay, guys, I hope he doesn't get mad, but I'm gonna log in. It's back to my account. Oh my god. Main. I'm gonna type in my really not some password. So that is my password. Really not long. So just gonna go to the Doge. Okay. So let's see here. So let's see. I hope he's not online. Oh, he just went online. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna chat him. Oh god, if hex. Okay, I'll just chat him. Cause I hacked him. Yeah, I've added him a little times. So yeah, I added him like 3 or 4 times. But he's actually my friend. I hacked my friend. Well, he won't know it's me because I'm on an account that he doesn't know. He doesn't know anymore. I said, if I get hacked, just notify me. Like, yeah. So, I'm gonna say hi to him. He's so good. Okay, I hope he responds. Hold up, be right back. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay. Guys, I'm back. Okay, so now we refresh the page. I have to refresh because my chat is slow. See if he responded. He responded. He definitely responded. I'm gonna say I hacked this guy. 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope he doesn't answer. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh god, oh my 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 god. Gotta get out soon, oh my god. Okay, I hope he's not responding. Oh my god, get him blessed and blah blah blah. Okay, let me refresh and see if he said anything. It's been 5 minutes. Yo, has he said something? Dude, if he did, I'm gonna end the video off here. If he did, I am gonna. And at the start, I didn't mean it was my alt. It was my alt.